Hi, my beauties. It's your girl, Cardia Stiletto Beauty, coming at you with another video. This is another one of my wig reviews. Yes, y'all. It's a review of Sensational's Butta unit, another Butta unit. I have quite a bit of them coming soon, but this is unit 20. And here she is in all her glory. If you want to see how your girl, the process that I did for customization to my liking, whether I liked it or not, all that good stuff, continue to watch the movie. But before you do that, I gotta get into the mumbo jumbo. Y'all know what it is. So first thing, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Whatever brought you here, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you stay till the end. And I would also love that if you joined the Beautihood. How do you do that? All you gotta do is click the subscribe button. Also hit the bell and click all, so that way you always know when your girl posts. And then if you are a returning beauty, hi my beauties, thank you for coming back. I so appreciate the continued support. The last thing that I like to do is, I don't ask for likes. I do though ask that you watch the video in its entirety, and then only then, if you like what you saw, click the like button. If you did it though, because sometimes I don't hit the mark, sometimes I drop the ball, but whatever it is, in the comment section, please give me constructive criticism. I'm open to getting better, and better. But other than that, stay tuned and see what your girl thought. Okay, my beauties, so we are about to get into the customization part of this unit. The first thing is, I'm going to go on with my wax stick. This is a staple. Highly recommend you get a wax stick. It helps with keeping the hairs, which is what I'm doing right now, keeping the flyaways at bay. It also helps with, laying those hairs down and flattening that unit, especially at the crown. As you are doing this and watching me do this, please note that you should always, when doing this, take your time. I promise y'all, because if you don't take your time and you rush through this, you'll end up messing up the unit, regardless of the price point of it. Take your time. It's not a race. I promise you. And with practice, I promise you'll get better and you'll get faster. So take your time, my beauties. One thing I'll say about this unit while I grab to the next step, which is my rat tail comb, so I can separate the baby hairs. I didn't really have to do too much tweezing, if I'm being completely honest, because I adored this hairline. If you buy this unit and you feel like it needs some work, I suggest you go ahead and do it. But I will say that this one, I really didn't have to go in, plucking crazy, which was I was very happy with. So I'm just separating where I want my baby hairs to be. Okay, now I'm going to take my crocodile clip and put all the hair towards the back. It just helps with making it more easier to, work in the front of the hair. Grabbing that wax stick again, just for as much control as I possibly can get. Okay, now we're going in with because I'm going to be using heat, you need a heat protectant spray. Strong recommendation, be very careful when you use these, especially if they have oil in them, because you will end up oversaturating the unit and weighing it down. So I like to go very light-handed with this. And y'all don't come for me and my brush, but that is my brush. I'm going to call her Stella because she has been with me for years. I want to say I probably had that brush for 10 years. Don't come for her. But I'm taking the brush to really, and it's a soft bristle brush, so I can really work the product in the hair. Then I go on with my hot comb. Keep it under 400 degrees. Even though the wig says it can go 400, I don't do that. I stay a little over 360, just to be on the safe side. And pretty much everywhere you put that wax stick, you're going to go in with the hot comb, because it's going to pretty much set that wax stick on the hair, on the fibers of the unit, and set them right in place. Also, while I'm watching this, I do y'all see how much she's smoking? Just gonna put that out there. Imagine if I would have put this on 400. Cause she out here smoking. But trust me when I say I didn't burn her. She came out real cute. You're gonna see. And then you go in. What I like with the combination of the wax stick and the hot comb, it helped, as I said before, flatten the hair. Give you more natural look. And just take your time. And I like to really go in the front because I like my units. When I lay my units, if it allows me to, I like it to fall a certain way. For me, it just looks it looks good and looks satisfying. That's just for me. And then you see I'm taking the hair down. And as you can see, it is no longer, moving as it was before. Set in place, looking gorge. And what you do to one side, you must do to the next. So I pretty much do the same process to the next side. And here we are. She's all done. Minimal shedding. And yeah, all customized to my liking. Hi, my beauties. Okay, so let's get right into this review. I'm going to get straight to the point. I will do another video of how I do I like to call it my lazy girl installation. So I'll do another video, so be on the lookout for that. But as far as this, I'll just tell you the stuff that I use to get the job done. And so the first thing in my tools, I have 3 tools and 3 products. So the 3 tools is you're going to need you a staple, which is a rat tail comb. I prefer the ones with the metal. It's just easier to work with, and then also too, it just makes it you don't have to worry about it getting too sticky. The product does really well with the metal, in my humble opinion. You're also going to need you a edge brush, a baby hair brush, whatever you call it, so you can have really good precision and precise control when you're doing these, whether you have to use baby hairs or you like baby bangs, whichever is your prerogative, baby. Then the last tool that you're going to need is something for organization, and I like to use crocodile clips. All the stuff is at my beauty supply store. Now, as far as products, I'm going to give the credit to Melt in the Lace. Let me first of all say, this lace is amazing. Off rip it is. But just so that my lace looks pretty and damn very well like it's coming out of my scalp, in my opinion, you guys can comment below if you agree with me or not. I'm going to give that credit to this. This is the Ebin Tinted Lace Spray. And let me explain to you guys. I got it in the shade dark brown. This is my second one. I love this product. So typically you will use makeup, but they've come up with this spray, and this is just pretty much everything you need in a spray bottle. And on top of that, they added this little nozzle, like this little extension nozzle, y'all, for precision. And let me tell y'all something, this just changed the game for me. I will be using this from now on unless they come up with something better. And that's just the color of my lace, so I don't have to worry about putting makeup on and all that other stuff. Then the other thing I'm going to use is an OG, the Gots to Be spray. I bounce back between this and Ebin spray. I think they both are fantastic, but I just like this. And then the last thing that you're going to need is a spritz or some type of spray. Spritz spray for holding as well. And that's all the products that I use to get her looking real cute. You saw another video of, before I put down on here, I showed you the steps, the real quick video of how I got her to my liking, customized to my liking. So now we're gonna go into the the nitty gritty, because that's what you guys are here for. You talked enough, Cartier. So get to the shits, as you say, as I like to say. Okay, so as I find my notes, because I like to write my stuff down. Okay, so first things first, this is the Sensational Butta unit number 20, and this is her stock cards. This is what she looks like in 1B. This is what the model's wearing. This is it. She also comes in these other colors, which I'm not gonna lie, I would have loved if I would have gotten this balayage gold. So don't be shocked if you see me in that one, because and in this, of course, on the 1B will eat. I got her in balayage mocha for whatever reason, because I want to step out of my comfort zone, and this is definitely out of my comfort zone. So that's that. The packaging she comes in a regular, you know, your typical wig bag, with the number on the top. Very, very simple, very, very straight to the point. Price points. So the price point for this one is she retailed for $36.94. I got her off of wigtypes.com, but you can get Sensational wigs all over the place. Another thing too is product. Now we're going to get into the product breakdown. So the first thing is the website stated that this was heavily layered, which she is, which I love. Love, love, love. And with these amazing spiral, they're calling these spiral curls, like curls, I guess that's what you would call them. These are giving me more romance, but whatever they are, they're absolutely stunning. So now we're going to get into, like, how does it feel? This is very, very soft. Very soft. She is feeling really, really good. I really, really like the feel of this wig. Soft. The look of her, I like the way she looks. I love the face framing, the little bangs on the side. Well, I'm calling them bangs, but the layering on around the face framing, it's so just looks so flattering. I think this wig will look good on pretty much anybody. Another thing, the density of this unit. She's not the most dense, but I like that factor, because first of all, I feel like this looks really natural. Not everybody has really, really thick hair. And then for the curls, I honestly feel, especially with synthetic blended wigs, you also want to be very careful when you start to get wigs with a lot of fibers in it, because they can be more at risk of tingling and things like that. And not to mention, you're going to get hot. With this one, she's not thin, but she's not super duper thick. And I appreciate that, because she does, like, my scalp feels so, like, it has so much ventilation. It doesn't feel hot at all. Okay, so we're gonna get into the smell. She smells really, really, actually normal. Doesn't have a heavy smell, which I love, because I have a sensitivity to smell. The fiber qualities, again, this goes on par with the feel of it. It's very, very soft. It feels nice. They feel really, really good. Cap construction. First of all, I think that this one is big head friendly, and of course she has the combs on the side, 2 combs on each, one on each side, 1 comb in the back, the adjustable straps, and then it's all it's lace ear to ear, and then it's all just like open weft, you know, sewn onto the cap. Very, very comfortable. Pre-plucked. The baby hairs weren't a lot. Sometimes wigs, they're just a disaster, a hairline disaster. But this one was pretty. I didn't have to do a lot of customization, which I was very happy for. Also, it says that you can heat her up from, she can go from, 350 to 400 degrees. I always recommend don't hit that 400 degree mark, because you just don't want to risk it burning. What else is there to say about her? She is, okay, let's look at the product application installation. Very easy to install. When I promise you, so easy, so easy to work with. Didn't get any really tangling, no shedding, like very minimal shedding, honestly. And since I've tweezed her, no shedding at all. Is this slate melting? You see it, you tell me. Hell yeah, it's melted. It looks amazing. Overall final thoughts, I'm obsessed with this unit. At first, the color is, you know, threw me off, and I had to get adjusted to it, but it's starting to grow on me. But this is definitely a slay or a stay away. She's a slay. If you can't tell, she's a slay. Go get you 1 or 2, because trust me, you will appreciate it. The other thing I do want to add, and this is just something that I've noticed when it comes to a lot of units, you have to pick and choose when you wear them, especially the synthetic units, because the fibers will swell. And I'm going to go more into that in the video when I show you how I install them, taking them off or not. But she's definitely, I'm going to add a section onto it, like weather appropriate to wear. I won't necessarily wear this in the heat. I'm going to matter of fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it out in warm weather and see how she handles, whether it causes more tingling or not, and then I'll come back in the next video and let y'all know. But all in all, like I said, this is a slay. Get you 1 or 2, you'll thank me. And if you also buy this unit and you slay her, please let me know, tag me, holla at your girl, whatever you want to do. But other than that, I truly hope this was helpful. You enjoyed the video, and as always, remember, stay beautiful. True beauty is limitless. Until next time, bye. Oh yeah, also be kind. Y'all be kind out there. All right, bye y'all.